Hello everyone. So today's the exercise that we'll be working on is task 2, where you will be drawing a chair in two different ways. The first approach is the subtractive approach, meaning that you start with the big or the complete mass and you start taking away some parts of it until you reach the desired shape. The dimensions for the chair is 50 by 50 for the base, and the height is 80. The main tools that you will be using are shapes, the tape measure to have your construction lines, and push-pull to remove and subtract the parts, as you will see in a moment. You need to create a new template. You can choose whatever you want from here. It does not make a difference, but afterwards you need to edit the units inside the document from model info. You edit it to centimeters and you make sure it's 0.00 for the precision. I can start by removing the human figure, and I'll start drawing the base of my chair, which is a rectangle. Now the rectangle's dimensions are 50 by 50, so I write down here in this, whatever I write down will show in this box. So I want it to be 50 by 50, so I write down 50, comma, 50, enter. Now, my base is ready. I need to use the push-pull tool to push it upwards. The dimension for the height must be 80. Now, to determine the lines, I will use the tape measure. The thickness of the wood is 10. Sorry. I'll use the tape measure to measure 10 away from this line. And the seat height is 40. Now I need to take away this part. Like that, if I select it, the whole surface will be selected because these are only construction lines. I need to draw over those lines so that I'll be able to select the surface only. So after I drew it, now when I select, this will be selected on its own, and then I use push-pull tool to push it till the end and the surface or the volume is gone. Now I'm going to do the same for the rest of the chair. 10 again, and the thickness for the base or for the seat is 10. Again, I will draw over it and then use the push-pull tool to the end. See, it's gone. And in case it was not gone, you double check that you did it correctly, or sometimes only the surface on the back is left. You can select it using the select tool and hit enter and hit delete, sorry. Now, again, we'll be doing the same for this surface and this one. So 10. Make sure it's red, parallel to the red axis. 10. And 10 again. 10. Blue parallel to the blue line. Okay, now I'm ready to draw the lines. And then use the push-pull tool. Here you go. And last one is this. The last part is the front. You can use the same method. Now, for those elements in the back, there are cylinders. So to draw a cylinder, you can draw a construction line from the middle and determine like 6 centimeters, for example. And to make sure it's centered, it's 10, so we choose 5 to have it in the middle, in the center of the surface. And now for the cylinder, use the circle tool, and then you draw circle of radius 3, for example. Now you're ready to push-pull it along the chair till the end, and you can use the move tool to create a copy. Of course, you need to press Ctrl to create a copy. Make sure you do that along the green axis to repeat the element. Okay, you could choose a smaller radius for the circle so that it fits 3. So this is how we create the chair using the subtractive method. For the front, you can use the same method, 10, 10, and 10. You draw a shape and then push-pull to the back. That's what I was saying. You can always select the surface that's from the back and press delete. This is it. And you can always get rid of the extra construction lines so that they will not confuse you. Good luck!